The positive choice is all about, it's derived in confidence. So if we can develop a product that people are confident in, that they trust, that becomes a really positive experience, a positive product, a product they're going to want to use again and again.
The most important thing for patients living with a stoma is to get back to life before and actually living. I think for a lot of patients, it seems to be the main concerns is leakage and odour, or that they're different from others. And that's a big thing because it makes us think that the pouch plays such a part in quality of life.
Any kind of disability or illness is going to erode or degrade your confidence a little bit. If we can inject a bit of that back through good designing a product that really makes people feel better about their condition or their illness, then ultimately that's going to slowly sort of elevate their self-esteem, elevate their self-confidence.
The most important thing to me is the flange itself, because that's where we need the security.
And if they don't have a product that they can trust and that they can rely on, it's not a very good quality of life for them at all. So trust is hugely important in a product like this.
People want to be able to fit and forget, so basically just wear the product and just go about their normal day-to-day life without having to worry about the product letting them down, leaking.
The flange design is all about minimising leakage through shape primarily. So the reliefs in the edges of the wafer, they're there to allow any creases that form during application or as the patient moves around, they're there to allow those creases to dissipate and to sort of come away from the flange. And we know that if we can reduce creases, we're reducing leak paths, and then ultimately we're improving skin health.
Everyone's got a natural bend. I talk about this a lot. And if you've got a stoma product on there, you want the width across. And that's one of the things that you'll certainly get with the new plus shape flange.
It feels nice and secure. You can actually have that security to go about your everyday life.
The shape of the flange, the width of that flange, the conformability of the hydrocolloid has made such a positive difference for them whilst they're wearing it. It's not just comfort, it's also discretion that others can't see that there's something different. It's our first brand with a different pouch colours in that. The end users have reported that they feel that having a choice is certainly important to them. For some patients, that might actually be the first choice that they've got.
It makes you feel that you have a choice. And I think that's very important today, that you feel that you have a choice, even if you don't have the choice to have an ostomy bag or not. But you can still make a choice which bag feels good right now and today.
In Australia, it's the first time that people have had a choice of coloured pouch. And it's been really empowering for people to have this. We've had all sorts of comments about the product, about the soft material, about how easy it is to use. We've even had some comments saying that it's been sexy and invigorating to be able to use a product like this.
No one wants to wear a pouch that's going to leave them feeling a bit red, a bit sore, maybe take a little layer of skin off.
Through other work within wound care, we know that skin stripping is a problem. So by having a flange that has got enough adhesives that really start to get to work with the warmth of the body, they're not overly aggressive at the beginning.
What we did find was that those patients that had some red sore skin to start with, the majority of those we saw a real improvement, and the patient was also reporting that they felt more comfortable as well. So that gave us confidence as nurses that the Manuka honey really did have an impact on patients' skin health.
It's important to have a range of products to offer people because different patients have different needs, and as we know, those needs may evolve over time as well.
I think it's really important that patients understand that they can and should strive to live a normal life.
So our vision for the future is to continue to develop the Aura and Aurum Plus range of products, focusing in on the needs of those with a stoma who really are at the forefront of everything we do. Innovation and quality are just two of Wellens' company values, and we will continue to drive forward our purpose of enhancing people's lives every day.